I'm really cutting my tank right now. What's the vibes, YouTube? It's your guy Will, back at you guys with another video. Welcome back to the channel, to the No Speed Limit Garage. Quick little install today, well, at least something that I'm hoping is a quick little install. We're gonna be installing something by the good folks over at Advanblack. I've had this for a while, just haven't got around to installing it. Pull it out of the packaging, I cut it open just so it'd be fast to pull out. Easier to get out the box and show you guys what I have. Red carbon fiber dash to match the fenders from Advanblack. If you guys been following the channel, you see I have the red carbon fiber fenders from Advan, front and rear. We are installing the ST dash on the Low Rider S. This is also a 2021 Low Rider S, so the dash is significantly different on this bike than it is on the ST. As you can see, lower profile. And typically you wouldn't be able to install these dashes on a 2020 and 2021 Low Rider S. How are we installing this dash? You want to know. Here we are. This is a Kraus Dash Adapter that they make for the 2021. So you got the 2018 to 2021 Low Rider and Low Rider S motorcycles. So because this dash was, I want to say, I guess, re-engineered on the Low Rider S and Low Rider ST for the 2022 years and newer, and went to this style dash, which is a little bit more low profile. And initially, these on the 2020 and 21s and 2018 Low Riders, 2019 Low Riders, had the gauges here. I've relocated my gauges up here to the handlebars. So I got a carbon fiber dash here, and then I bought some OG Moto block off plates, but it's time to make the switch, get rid of all this busyness going on here, and just get a low profile dash. We do have to cut the gas tank. So without further ado, let's get going with this install, get the seat off, get the tank dash off, and we'll get going. What I've done, taking the seat off, taking the dash off, there's two bolts here, a dirty tank underneath, but two bolts up here, and then you have a bolt down here that screws to the tank, and then you have two bolts here that screw to the tank here. So I'm gonna wipe this down completely. So this is the new one going on. This is the old one. As you can see, this is a significantly taller dash than that one. Carbon fiber. This dash was from LA Co. This is a American-made company in California. So if any of you guys are interested in this dash for your Low Rider S or Low Rider Softail, hit me up. Cut you guys a really good deal on it. So from Kraus's website, you put this on the tabs like so. Got some set screws. You get a little soft mallet to kind of pop it on there. It's a real snug fit already. So that's on there. Because on the Kraus website it says you want 1 inch from the top of here. So that's what we're cutting off. Cut wheel, Dremel metal cut wheel, easy lock cut wheel. I'm really cutting my tank right now, bro. No going back. I'm really cutting my tank right now. What is wrong with me, fam? Bro, I really just cut a tab off of my tank. Clean this up a little bit.